Go.
Hi there, it's 3 minutes in the garden. Today we're going to talk about what's coming up in early spring. It's mid-March. We have a PG hydrangea that was actually pruned back last fall, but if you haven't gotten to it, you could still do it this spring. And you could see how severely cut back it is. Just leave nubs all the way around. Next we have boxwood underneath. I would not prune this until the days get warmer and it's at least above 50 degrees at night. But what is blooming and beautiful right now are our snowdrops. And we do have some primrose just starting to bloom. These I bought last year at ShopRite for $1.29 a pot. Put them in the ground, they overwinter beautifully and surprise you next spring. Underneath the PG hydrangea is hiding some yellow blooms. That's called winter aconite, great deer resistant plant. And it will mat in time and become a huge mat of yellow blooms as it gets older. Also here we have some tete-a-tete daffodils that are popping out of the ground, some tulips which we'll have to spray with deer repellent, and some lilies coming out of the ground which we'll have to spray as well. And then it's hard to see this time of year, but there's a spirea shrub or daffodils. And then as we come around the corner, the classic combination of daffodils and daylilies. So we've taken some of our shredded leaves from the fall and we have covered the ground so that we try to get ahead of the weeds in this area of the garden that pretty much doesn't get anything else except daylilies for the rest of the summer. And that's what we're doing in this section right now. Happy gardening!